Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We had a little technical difficulty, but that happens always when we have the best coming on stage. Do you know who that's coming? I know all of you came to see the beautiful dancers, but guess what? We got better people coming up. We have our famous kids fashion show coming up. I want you to see how creative our kids are. They are wearing our traditional clothing, the modern version of our clothing. I want you to welcome my dear, beautiful Marian and Amal. Start the show, girls. Amal wants to become a doctor. Beautiful Marian and Amal are the daughters of Farah and Ahmed. Amal wants to become a doctor and Mariam wants to become a dentist, inshallah. Both would love to attend the University of Minnesota. Beautiful Marian and Amal. Go, girls. The beautiful dresses that you're seeing that they're wearing is our traditional Somali dress. They are wearing the fashion of the Carmel Souk. Please give them another hand of applause to Marian and Amal. Beautiful girls. The other way. Next, we have Prince Hanad. A doctor, inshallah, will love to attend the University of Pennsylvania. He is the wonderful son of Fortun and Farhan. Please give him a hand of applause to Hanad. Again, Hanad is wearing Fortun fashion. Hoya Ma'an dressed him up in Mawis and Shara traditional clothes. Thank you. Our next models are Imani and Nadia. To become a ballerina. She is the daughter of beautiful Yasmin, and Nadia wants to become an elementary teacher attending the Howard University. She is the beautiful daughter of Clarissa and Abdullahi. Beautiful girls. That's what it is. Both of them are wearing the unique design of Anino. Please give them a round of applause to my beautiful princesses, Imani and Nadia. Next, we have our Princess Suhaila. Beautiful daughter of Clarissa and Abdullahi. She wants to become a WNBA player and a lawyer. She wants to attend the Howard University. Her dress is sewn by beautiful Yasmin at the Anino design. Please give a hand of applause to Suhaila. Next, we have Suba. That it is. Suban wants to become an orthodontist, wants to attend Stanford University. Beautiful Suban is the child of Fortun and Khalid. Beautiful Suban, mashallah. Suban is wearing the design of Django. Please give a hand to beautiful Suban. Good job, baby. Next is Amina. Amina wants to become a doctor. She wants to attend the Columbia University. She is my beautiful daughter this unique design by Anino. Please give a warm applause to Amina. Next is Safia. Go, Safia. There it is. MashaAllah. Safia is the beautiful daughter of Clarissa and Abdullahi. She wants to become a doctor, inshallah, graduating from the Howard University. Woo! Safia is also an athletic, a strong athletic. She plays basketball better than me, just letting you know. And her beautiful dira is from Anino Design. Please give a warm hand to beautiful Safia. Next is Faduma. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Faduma is the beautiful daughter of Khatra and Awil. She will love to become an entrepreneur. In other words, she will be the big money lady, and she wants to attend the Stanford University. MashaAllah. Now, Faduma is very smart and bright, you see, and she's wearing this beautiful dress designed by Django. As you could see, Faduma is our lovely model. Please give a hand of applause to Faduma. Ayan. Ayan is the beautiful daughter of Yasmin and Abdurrahman. Ayan wants to, I'm sorry, that is Ayan, and she's the daughter of Fortuna and Khalid. Made a mistake right there. Ayan wants to become a pediatric surgeon and would love to attend the Princeton University. East Coast, yes. Her dress is very beautiful and it has been sewn by Django. Please give a round of applause to my beautiful Ayan. Next is Aisha. Aisha now is the daughter of Yasmin and Abdurrahman. Aisha would love to serve her country, the United States of America, as a National Guard. Oh yeah. She is very excited about serving that, and I should tell you that Aisha has a spirit with a heart of gold. May Allah always bless you, my dear. She is wearing the beautiful design of Django. You could find Django, by the way, at Carmel. Woo, girl! Yeah, please give a round of applause to Aisha. Next is Yasmin. MashaAllah. Yasmin hails from Fortuna and Abdul Qadir. She is another athletic in our models. She would love to become a physical therapist. Wants to graduate from Ohio State. And is a super athletic, playing basketball, soccer, volleyball. You name it, she plays it all perfectly. Beautiful Yasmin's dress has been designed by Django. That is nice. I like that dress. Please give a round of applause to beautiful Yasmin. Next is Ruwaida. Ruwaida is the wonderful daughter of Naima. Ruwaida's dream is to become a doctor, inshallah, graduating from Cornell University. Woo! You're beautiful, Habarian. and by Django at Carmel. She is wearing our traditional beads, by the way. Beautiful Ruwaida. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Give her a round of applause. Next is Tahani. Tahani wants to become a pediatrician. She wants to graduate from our home university, University of Minnesota. She is the wonderful daughter of Amal and Hassan. Her dress has been designed by wonderful Yasmin at Anino Design. This is the modernized fashion of our Hidio Dakan. Beautiful Tahani. Give her a round of applause to Tahani. Next is Fatima. Beautiful Fatima is the daughter of Farhiyo and Abdul Qadir. Now, Fatima loves to watch movies, so she wants to become a movie critique. And she will obtain her degree from the University of Madison, inshallah. Fatima's dress has been designed by, again, Django. And her dress is here with a little modern twist. Please give a round of applause to beautiful Fatima. Next is Prince Hamza. Hamza wants to become a doctor. He wants to attend the university, Iowa State. And his mother is Fartun and Farhad. Yes, that is Prince Hamza. Next we have Fortuna. Woo! Fortuna! Yes, Fortuna is the beautiful daughter of Faduma and Mohammed. Fortuna wants to become a pediatric general surgeon attending our own university, University of Minnesota. Is beautifully designed and sewn by Django. Yes, Fortune, you got it, girl. Woo! Give a round of applause to Fortune. Next, we have beautiful Edna. Edna is the daughter of Khatra and Mustafa. Edna wants to become a lawyer. She wants to attend Stanford University. Her dress is a unique design of new version of our dira done by Anino Design. Please give a round of applause to my beautiful, beautiful, amazing Edna. Way to go, Edna, mashallah. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the piece you were waiting for. Please welcome Patience. Patience is the daughter of Amana. Patience, inshallah, wants to become a fashion designer when she grows up. Her dress is uniquely designed by her mother, Fab Faith Fashion. Patience is a model herself, has a unique design for us. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm hand for our lovely model, Patience. Patience. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome all our models on stage. Patience. stage. Go. Go, 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 go. Line up. Line up. I would like this moment to say a few brief words. These beautiful models are on stage tonight due to their parents. I would like deeply from the bottom of my heart thank every single parent who has attended the auditions and our cultural classes during this time. The parents were amazing and I truly appreciate them. There are also volunteers who has helped us. One of them is Hodan Aden. Please Hodan, come on stage. And our next one is Sagal Abdullahi. Sagal, I know you hear me, don't hide, come on stage. I would like for you to give them a warm hand of applause to our beautiful models, please. Next, we have a little surprise for you. You see, our models are not only models in fashion, but they also learn a lot of things. One of the things that they learned in this class was to sing a song. That song is called in the Somali language, Arday Baan Ahay, which translates to, I am a student. I'm going to ask Mr. Abdi Janan to please come on stage because he will be directing this beautiful song. Mr. Abdi Janan.